If you're looking to live in an amazing master plan community that's established here in Jacksonville, welcome to E-Town, my newest listing, 9905 Invention Ln. This has all the bells and whistles, surround sound speakers, epoxy garage floors, the gutters, it has the shiplap, everything you want in a new construction home. That are all the extras. 9905 Invention Ln, let's go check it out. Check this out, pot filler. Never actually had one of those in my own home, but that's just one of the features this home has here at 9905 Invention Ln. And wait, there's more. That's right, pop-up electric outlets on your quartz countertops in the kitchen. Again, tons of features in this home. One of the things I really like about it as well, this is just under a 2,500 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, and an office. And you will have to have no carpeting because they already took that out for you. You can also have gutters, just like those new construction homes that don't have gutters. This one will already have that for you. This is an energy efficient Providence home, so you'll enjoy those lower electric bills. And of course, there's nothing like foam insulation in the attics. 50-foot lot, so much to offer in this home. Check it out. Gotta love the amenities here in E-Town. And of course, if you like that home tour and you're interested, make sure you press on the link below. My name is Greg DeTulio, so I can give you that private tour. And if you're thinking about moving in the area, whether it's 9 days, 90 days, 180 days, it's never too early to start that conversation. If you don't know much about E-Town, this next video has a complete overview of the area, as well as what's to come, including the surf park and Ever Range. Make sure you click on those next 2 videos, and I'll see you there.